Hey guys, we're back on the studio here at Slick Tech. We have episode 2 of Airsoft Protection. This episode, Airsoft BB, so let's get into this unboxing, guys.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening?
Let's open up this vault and see what knife I'm going to be using today. Alright guys, I'm not going to look. Okay, so this is also a Boy Scout knife. This is even more of a mini knife. We call this the extra mini BS knife. So, yeah guys, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Okay guys, so inside, oh my gosh, the package is so outside the USPS box, there's even another box. It means it has to be valuable. So, wow, they actually packaged this. Okay, so there's a couple things inside here. The first thing you get is an extra magazine clip for extra bullets while you're on the battlefield. And, ooh, this one's heavy. Okay guys, so second thing you get is a giant bag of about 500 airsoft BB darts. So, you guys look really cool, really effective, and I'm glad we got an extra mag for airsoft darts. So, let's get into this and I'll give you some gameplay, guys. Quick disclaimer, this speed loader is for Jonathan's new airsoft rifle. So, I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, this is actually a speed loader, not an extra magazine. So, hey guys, let's go outside and get some gameplay. Hey guys, let's get into some target tests. But before we do that, I want to show you Jonathan's fort. His dad built it for him a couple of years ago, so let's get into this tour, guys. Hey guys, so when you walk in their backyard from their side yard, as you can see, guys, it's a three stories, including the dungeon fort. And as you can see, guys, it has a rope ladder on the side, a ladder inside, and one of the coolest things I think is a rock wall on this side. So, yeah, guys, we're gonna be shooting against this. So, let's go, see how well his sniper rifle works with those new bullets. As you can tell, guys, this is perfect for all your airsoft battle needs. It is perfect. Along with the mask we included in yesterday's video, it makes the perfect combo for your airsoft battle. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video on the studio of Slick Tech. Leave a like, comment, subscribe down below. You already know, fam. Peace out.